Hi everyone, how is your journey going on? I hope everything is smooth with you. It's great to see you all again in this video. I recently turned down a collaboration offer to create a client-themed channel with a YouTube channel management company. This decision might sound silly, as it was an opportunity that I could do both scrap what I love and secure an income, especially since I currently have no income and struggle to balance my expenses. However, if I had agreed, I would have been required to shoot 2 videos per day, which means sculpting 2 models daily according to their requests. This would mean I have absolutely no time to meticulously craft my work or find inspiration for them. In that way, it could be very similar to my old drawing job. The thing I create was simply the products made to order, with nothing on my own in them. If I was 10 years ago, I could have immediately seized and agreed to this opportunity, because I used to believe that drawing was what I loved, and as long as I could draw and earn an income, I could do it. But from the moment I received this invitation, I felt something was wrong. Currently, even though I no longer draw, I'm still doing what I love. In fact, drawing or sculpting are the methods to creating what I want. If not those, there are still many other ways to do what I enjoy. I'm not the person I was 10 years ago. Those old beliefs and paths are no longer suitable for my current situation. So that feeling of something not right is always present in my mind. This decision is like saying goodbye to my old self and completely closing that chapter of my life. It feels a little wistful, like losing a part of myself. However, this is the first time in my life I've been able to clearly tell myself what I want. I prefer to spend my time researching, learning, nurturing, and creating on my own, rather than just chasing targets or demands to make money. Generating income remains one of my aspirations. The purpose of creating this YouTube channel is to attract followers who share my artistic vision and way of thinking. From there, I hope to have the opportunity to earn income and further sell the products I design myself. But if that's not my path to prosperity, then I simply accept it and find another way that suits my current perspective and journey. Besides, I'm selling my own design t-shirts. If you're interested or want to support me, you can visit my store via the link in the description. Now, let's enjoy this week's video. Thank you for coming to my video. See ya in the next one.